What's up guys, and welcome to this video of the 2017 IEB AP Maths exam. This is the November exam and we are going over question 2. Okay, in my opinion, question 2 is probably one of the easiest questions that you guys will ever find in an exam, especially an AP Maths exam, and it's worth 10 marks. So it's worth going over and making sure that you get the full 10 marks. Okay, so let's go over this. Question 2. The population of a particular city established in 1970 is growing exponentially according to the model P. Population is equal to A, some constant e to the kt, where P is the population in thousands, at t and at time t, A and k are constants. Okay, so note, this is quite important, note that in 1970 t is equal to 0. It is given that in 1975 the population was 596,000, and in 1985, okay, so let's just highlight that, in 1975 that was our population, and in 1985 that was our population. Okay, so it says calculate the values of A and K respectively. Okay, so the important thing to realize is that the population is in thousands and that t only starts from 1970. So we can get two equations. So the first equation is going to be my population, which I'm going to take as, I'm going to take this as 1975. Okay, so for 19, let's do it not in yellow, but for 1975, t is equal to, that's going to be 5 years from 1970. Okay, and the population is going to be equal to, okay, and the population is going to be 596 divided by 1,000, so that's 596. In 1985, t is equal to 15, and my population is, P is equal to 889,000 divided by 1,000, so 889. Okay, so using these two equations, I can now, or using these two points essentially, I can now substitute the values into here. So I'm going to start with 1985. So 889 is equal to A e to the 15t. Okay, that's going to be equation 1. And equation 2 is 596 is equal to A e to the 5t. Okay, I just want you guys to remember that the reason this is 5 and 15 is because we're starting our time from 1970. So 1975 minus 1970 is equal to 5, and 1985 minus 1970 is equal to 15. Okay, so that's how we got to that. Some people might not see that. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation 1 divided by equation 2. So that's equal to, I'm going to look at the right hand side first. So these a's are going to cancel. So it's going to be a, so a's cancel. So it's going to be e to the 10t is equal to 889 divided by 596. Okay, then the easiest way to do this would be to ln everything. Okay, so, or you could put this into your calculator immediately and calculate the value. This is not t, but rather k. Okay, so let's go over the process. So that's going to be linning both sides. I'm going to get 10k is equal to ln of 889 over 596. Okay, and solving for k, k is going to be equal to, therefore we're taking ln of 889 divided by 596 divided by 10, and it's equal to 0,04. Okay, so that is the value of k. Now that we have k, we can just pick one of the equations. So let's pick equation 1 and substitute k in. So that's 889 equals to a e to the 15 times 0,04, and we solve for a, and a is equal to 488. Okay, so there are our two solutions. Okay, and we get 7 marks for that. Okay, then the next question says, hence, use the model to estimate in estimate the year in which the population will reach 6 million people. Okay, so basically for question 2.2, so this was 2.1, for question 2.2, now I want to calculate t, okay, when p is equal to, okay, I'm going to take 6 million and I'm going to divide by 1,000, so that is 6,000. So when p equals 6,000. So my equation is now, my equation is going to be p, which is 6,000, is equal to a, which I calculated was 488, times e to the 0.04 t. Okay, so basically I'm going to say e to the 0.04 t is equal to 6,000 divided by 488. Lining both sides again, I get 0.04 t is equal to ln of 6,000 divided by 488. So t is equal to, so we take ln of 6123 divided by 488 and divide all of that by 0.04, and t is equal to 62.72, so roughly equal to 63 years. Okay, so the question was, in what year will this occur? So the year is going to be equal to started in 1970 plus 63 years, so the year is going to be equal to 63 plus 1970, which is 2033. Okay, so that is going to be our year in which the population reaches 6 million. Okay, so like I said, guys, nothing too difficult there. Yeah, it was just a matter of these fine prints. But yeah, so we got a total of 10 marks, which is about 5% of the paper. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video useful.